Welcome back to Eating the African Way. My name is Nicholas. It's a beautiful morning, and today I have a gift and a surprise for you. The surprise is I'm the chef, and to win a gift you have to give an English name to the meal I'm going to cook. And this meal is mostly for breakfast, but to some people they can have it for lunch. Let us dive into the video. These are ingredients. We have tomatoes, some call them tomatoes. We have green pepper, carrots, onions. We have our Reiko cooking oil. This is what we're going to make. This is green banana, Irish potato. These are offals, and never forget avocado on your meal. Welcome back from the kitchen. As I told you, I was the chef, and the chef tester is Mr. Okay, not Mr. Is Teacher Mpamire on the street. As you see, he's enjoying the meal, and after he's going to give or to talk about what the meal is all about.
I was hungry. Yeah, my name is Teacher Mpamire. I'm a stand-up comedian from Uganda. Yeah, the food is so delicious. I like it. I like oil. I like avocado. Yeah, it was spiced well. It's really nice. I'm enjoying it. It's a katogo of offals. Katogo of intestines.
Teacher Mpamire, today's show I have a gift to give out, and if you know its name in English, you can win the gift. How do you call it in English? Any English name?
Which one?
That thing you enjoy. In our language we call it katogo, curry, and or banana with whatever.
Banana? Yeah. This is intestinal food or offal food, akatogo kebyenda. Yeah, it's called akatogo kebyenda, offal food or intestinal food. Yes, or interior food. Akebyenda. You know byenda means the ones of inside. So it's a food of inside. Katogo kebyenda. But it's really nice. I'm enjoying it. It's really nice. I like it. I like food that has spices, so it is spiced up well with avocado, and it has nice sauce. So it's really nice. I had taken long without taking it.
As you have seen, the gift, we still have the gift. I don't know whether he gave the right answers, but still you can give your answers in the comment section. You never know, you can be a winner. If you're new here, please subscribe and keep this channel open as we cook, learn, and eat the African way. Don't go anywhere.
Yeah, because there was an accident. So the car just turned around like this. When the car turned around, then the other one, it came and, you see? So until the policeman came in front of them and